Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed in Google Chrome. Now, first to get this done, let's just go over and type this one right here, Chrome and flags. So once you see this one, I want you to go over and look for parallel. All right, so parallel downloading, we're going to go ahead and enable this one. It is aimed to accelerate download speed. So once you're done, go ahead and click the relaunch right here in order for it to refresh. And you can see that now it is enabled. So once you're done with that, I want you to go over and hit the Windows icon right here and press run instead of CMD, sorry. And then we're going to go ahead and tag this one right here. NCPA.cpl. And then you should be able to see the network right here. So I want you to go over to what you're using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In my case, Wi-Fi. Head over to Properties, IPv4. And then for the DNS, I want you to go over and use 8.8.8, 8.8.4, oops, the 4 for the alternate DNS, and then hit OK. Now, alternatively, you can also use 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate, you can use 1.0.0.1. So in my case, I've tried both, and yeah, 8.8 or Google's DNS work best for me. Now let's go ahead and proceed to step number 3. And for step number 3, this time let's go over and use command prompt. I want you to go over and type here and ipconfig and then flush DNS. All right, so as you can see, it says here successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So we are good to go. And yeah, once you've done those, you should be able to fix the slow download speed that you're experiencing in Google Chrome.